There is an old saying that not all the glitters are gold, but trust me, the HP Chromebook X360 is, once you carefully read my review that I have curated. Bask into the world of colors with the 14-inch high-definition display that boasts a 1366 by 768 resolution and bright view display that delivers superior colors that don't look bland as you would notice on cheaper display panels. Furthermore, I love the fact that it has a micro-edge display because it gives users an extra space to work without having to deal with thick black borders. Truly magnificent. And wait till you hear about that it even has a super useful 360 hinge, so using it on your dining table as a tablet or on your sofa in tent mode would most certainly be a breeze. Now that you know how well crafted the screen is, let's take a look at the performance specifications. The device is backed with highly power-conservative Intel N5000, which has a total of 4 cores and an equal amount of threads, and can even rev up its frequencies up to 2.70 GHz in burst mode. To keep even the most daunting tasks streamlined and performed in a matter of seconds, the 2-in-1 laptop pushed boundaries boldly with its 4 GB RAM and 64 GB eMMC flash storage, which works flawlessly in conjunction in a snappy manner. And since this nifty device is all about having convenience in your lap, HP has integrated the Wide Vision feature, which even has double microphones to catch every word with crisp quality, all while minimizing the ambient noise. Coming to one of the most important parts, the battery life, which after hours of stress testing this laptop I have found is remarkably good because it deniably gave me around 10 hours of runtime, a resplendent sight to witness.